All of Hawaii and the South Pacific will be very, very proud of you right now,
Yes,
Chef Eric.
dude. Hey guys, what's up? Chef Eric Greenspan with New School American Cheese. I'm hanging with the Common Kings.
Yeah.
What's up, guys?
What's up, Chef?
Today, we are going to be making Kalua pork American cheese cheesesteaks.
That
We're gonna
sounds
get
fantastic.
Let's get it.
Let's do it.
I'm everyone, I make you fall in love tonight. Hey. Yeah.
We were talking before
Yes.
about what you guys like to eat and,
Yeah.
and what you guys do, and you threw me a couple curveballs. You're like we're the Kings, South Pacific,
Yep.
background.
Infuse some of the
And
culture in it. Let's do it.
It's like the meal of kings in our culture is Kalua pork, right? And then
Pretty
I
much
was like
same
saying
thing.
what do you guys like to eat? And you're like, we like to eat everything we like to eat when we're in different towns.
Yeah.
Like you mentioned Philadelphia. You're like, when we're in Philadelphia,
We eat Philly
we eat
cheesesteaks.
cheesesteaks. So I was like, because like I make the
my
best
favorites.
American cheese in the world.
Yes.
It's called New
I'm
School
ready.
American cheese.
New School American
And so,
cheese. Tell
I
us
wanted to
about
make
this.
Sure you guys had American cheese has done this for 100 years, and we just did that. So it's like
Oh.
aged cheddar, real
Elevated.
cream, real butter. So you said
this is
cheesesteak.
perfect.
I was thinking American cheese, and then you said Kalua pork. So what I did was I did this last night.
Ooh, what's this?
You were talking about ginger and garlic
Yep.
and root vegetables and stuff like that.
Oh,
So
bro.
I put some garlic in there, and I put some ginger in there, and I put some kabocha squash.
Falling off the bone.
That's a good
that,
sign.
dude.
That is a good sign.
I found these coconut amino acids. So I rubbed it and I seasoned it with some Hawaiian salt and black pepper and slow cooked it in the oven 4.5 hours.
Tender, bro.
Look at that, dude.
Very nice.
Taro.
Yep.
You said taro, I got taro.
Look at that.
And we take a little bit of our kabocha squash and some of our onions that have been slow cooked with the pork. And then the next thing I wanted to do was make a sauce.
I'm gonna do like a French dip. We can dip the sandwich in that.
Oh,
Not my first rodeo.
What?
This is not my first
No
rodeo,
wonder you
Doug.
tour with this
Guys,
guy. Are you kidding
dude.
me? Now I'm gonna take that garlic
Martha Stewart, eat your heart out.
and we mix that with some Duke's mayo
Nice healthy portion.
Oh.
There you go.
and a little bit of Chick-fil-A Polynesian sauce. Let's cut up some cabbage, right? Because that's classic.
Can't have any Kalua pork without cabbage.
Now we're gonna Eric Greenspan it.
The premium cheese.
New school, American cheese.
Oh,
Oh, bro.
Lime in here.
Ooh.
So how long you guys been playing for? as a
we
band?
just made 10 years.
Wow.
Yeah, we've been boys for 20 years.
You starting
And
back?
we're only 21. It's crazy, right? But we got a big album coming out called
Yeah.
Celebration. And we're going to celebrate by eating these, the Cali Grill dips.
Been a long day. I win, win, win. I win, win, win. I win, win, win. All day. I win, win, win. I win, win, win. I win, win, win. All day.
Are we winning, boys?
Bro, this looks fucking amazing. Wow. Oh, this looks fire.
bro.
What up?
A little garnish.
All right, should we call the rest of the band in here?
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Let's go, fellas. Let's eat.
Fellas.
Oh, you don't have to ask us twice.
Wow.
Right?
Whoa.
We've officially
Fire.
hired a chef here. We're going to be
Yep.
going on the road.
What
Fifth member of the band,
What
Chef
up?
Eric.
So,
Yo, we win?
Winner.
We
win
win.
all the way.
We win.
Winner, bro.
straight up.
Dub.
Chef Eric Greenspan, New School American Cheese, at Band Appétit, at Jam in the Van.
That's right.
With the Common Kings.
Let's go.
And we're killing it.